Let me be honest with you. I didn't learn English because I was smart. I learned English because I was tired of being afraid. For a long time, English was not just a language to me, it was fear. Fear of making mistakes, fear of sounding stupid, fear of people laughing. Maybe you feel the same right now. If you do, this story is for you. The beginning, where the fear started. My problem with English didn't start online. It started at school. I remember sitting in class. The teacher was speaking English, and all I could hear were sounds, not meaning. Then one day the teacher said, "Who wants to read?" The classroom went quiet, very quiet. And then he said my name. I stood up. My hands were shaking. I read one sentence. I pronounced a word wrong. Some students laughed. It wasn't loud, it wasn't aggressive, but it was enough. That moment stayed with me for years. From that day, I decided something without saying it out loud. English is not for me. Years of silence and excuses. I grew up. I finished school. I entered adult life. English was everywhere. YouTube, movies, podcasts, social media. I watched people speak English confidently. Normal people, not teachers, not professors. And I kept telling myself lies. They are talented. They learned abroad. I'm too old now. I need a perfect course. But the truth was simple. I was afraid to start. Every day I said, I'll start tomorrow. Tomorrow never came. The moment everything changed. One normal day, I was watching a random video. The person said one sentence that stopped me completely. You don't need confidence to start. You need to start to build confidence. I paused the video. I stayed quiet for a few seconds, and I realized something painful. I was waiting to feel confident before starting, but confidence never comes first. Action comes first. My first real step, listening only. I didn't buy a course. I didn't download a big program. I did something very simple. I started listening. Short videos, easy stories, slow English. I didn't understand everything, not even close. Sometimes I understood 20%, sometimes less. But I didn't stop the video every second. I didn't translate every word. I just listened. Again and again and again. Slowly, my brain started recognizing sounds. This word, I heard it before. That was progress. The first time I spoke, alone. One day, I did something strange. I talked to myself. Yes, out loud. I said a simple sentence. Today, I feel tired. It sounded broken, wrong, uncomfortable, but it came out. The next day, I am learning English. Still bad, still slow, but I didn't stop. That was the secret. I allowed myself to be bad. The daily 1-hour rule. I didn't study for 5 hours. I didn't pressure myself. I gave English 1 hour a day, not more. That hour looked like this: 20 minutes listening, 20 minutes reading or stories, 20 minutes speaking alone. No exams, no stress, no comparison, just consistency. The magic moment, no translation. One day I was watching a video, and suddenly I understood a full sentence without translating it. I stopped the video. I smiled, and I thought, wait, did I just understand that naturally? That moment changed everything. The confidence that came later. Confidence didn't come on day one. It came after many bad days, after many mistakes, after many embarrassing moments alone. But one day, speaking felt lighter. Not perfect, but possible. Final message to you. If you're listening to this right now and you feel blocked, let me tell you this clearly. You are not stupid. You are not late. You are not incapable. You are just afraid. And fear disappears only with action. Start small. Start badly, but start. One day, you'll realize you're understanding, you're speaking, and you're no longer afraid.